Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth Rose, and today I am going to show you 3 digital art programs that you can download for free. First up on our list is Sketchbook by Autodesk. You can download this at sketchbook.com and it's for Windows or Mac. This one is by far my favorite on the list. It has a simple interface and highly developed tools, so it's going to work well for both professionals and artists who are just getting into working digitally. There isn't going to be much of a learning curve here. You can basically just open up the program, pick up a pencil, and start sketching. So, what can you do on Sketchbook? Pretty much everything. There is more than enough brushes, pens, markers, and textures. However, if you do want more options, Sketchbook also offers free brush pack downloads. Honestly, some of my favorites come from the free downloads, so definitely check that out. For this video, I'm going to be drawing the same little cactus in each program so you can see the difference between them. With your drawing, you can add filters or transform it any way you'd like. This example doesn't even come close to showing you all that Sketchbook has to offer. If you'd like a full tutorial, let me know in the comments. Okay, next up is Crea. You can get this one at crea.org for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Once you open up Crea, you have so many options right away. Tons of pre-made templates, animation, comics design, and of course, you can customize to your preferences. Once you have chosen your workspace, you can start right in on your sketch, and you'll notice right away that Crea has that wonderful dark theme that we are all crazy about. This one takes a little more getting used to. It's not quite as self-explanatory as Sketchbook. However, once you learn your way around it, it's awesome. One thing to note, while I was running my recording software, Crea was lagging quite a bit. But when I turned it off, Crea started working normal again. Whether the lagging was due to my own computer specs or the recording software, I don't know, but it's something to keep in mind if you're planning on recording your work. best is Inkscape. You can download this one at inkscape.org for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Inkscape is very different from Sketchbook and Crea. Inkscape is a vector drawing program. This is going to be your alternative to InDesign. Typically, vector drawing is the preferred method for designing logos, comics, some styles of illustration, and animation, due to the ability to easily scale images without the loss of quality. At the time I'm recording this video, Inkscape doesn't support animation, but always could in the future. Inkscape is also great for adding text to your work that you made in another program. You can easily import what you've done in Sketchbook into Inkscape. You can also save your work in many different formats, such as SVG, which is Inkscape's default. You can do PDF, PNG, zip, and a bunch of others. In short, Inkscape is great, and I personally use it regularly. And here are all three of my drawings side by side. Now I want to know what you think. Have you used any of these programs before? Did they work out for you? Let me know in the comments. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.